Hey John, so it's all those. My son pointed out I did not show you your engine hatches yet. So those are your engine hatches. So on the sides, we're going to, this is where we've had to add color back. And as you can see, it's a little bit different color. It's the same stain as used up here, which is the correct Century stain. We buy it from the people that make the stain. It's called Century Red. So there may have been a different stain on here previously, huh?
I think it's age.
Oh, you think it's age?
Yeah.
So it could be age or different stain either way. But what we'll be working to do is to darken these areas and try to make them blend a little better. First thing you got to do is get your stain on there, and then of course when you first put your stain on there, it looks really good, and you get your varnish on there. And matter of fact, that's why we do the lock-in with the spray varnish, is so that we can see how it looks, make sure we got the color we want. So anyway, we'll have 4 more coats on this after we correct the stain on the sides.